learn optimism is really about changing your mind so that you can change your life. So how do we support our brain? Many people think of the brain as a logical entity. It's logical, it helps us to think, it's cognition, it stores our memories, it can do so many amazing things, but the brain is very emotional as well. So how do we then support our emotional brain? First, we practice learn optimism. Number one, first we notice, am I personalizing? It's okay to notice that. There's no shame in recognizing that in yourself. But then, how do you move from the well-trodden path to a new path is by challenging. Is what I'm experiencing true, or is it just my brain reacting to my emotions? When we encounter something terrible, a thought in our head, we beat ourselves up and tell ourselves, it's all because you didn't study so hard. It's all because you didn't bother. You're just not cut out to do that. These are the thoughts that sometimes plague us. But in that moment, we should challenge those thoughts because those thoughts are just going down those well-trodden paths. Is it helpful to you to think that way? Is it harmful to you to think that way? And then once you've challenged it, maybe you'll come to a more balanced perspective and end up being able to reframe it. If you encounter some challenge in an assignment you're doing, it is far more helpful to tell yourself, I'm facing a roadblock in this assignment, as opposed to saying, I can't do this and I'm lousy at this. The first keeps you stuck. The second allows you to move on with some optimism. So notice, challenge, reframe.